first about what are the two types of tests. So when I talk about test, I have either a cytological test or a DNA test. So if I am studying the cell as a whole, it is called a cytological test. Now, these cytological tests requires a geneticist. They require an expert who can actually look into the cell, look into the nucleus, and look into the chromosomes. Now, the problem with the cytological test is there is a limit. I can only maybe count the number of chromosomes, see the bands, arrange the chromosome in its specific order. But if I want to look at details of the chromosome, what is the pattern, what is the banding, it might not be possible just with looking at a microscope. So, after cytological test, the better test which are called as DNA test. Now, these DNA tests, what they do, they fragment the chromosome. That is, they make an array out of it, right? And these arrays, they can be read by a computer. So, cytological tests, they are very good, but they are limited to the cell. They are limited to the counting of the chromosome, and they need a human. Now, human can only do things till a certain level. Therefore, DNA test came into progress. Now, this DNA test, they will lyse the chromosome, they will make it into single strand, they'll compare it with the normal, and they will tell if the gene is normal or not. So the basis of genetic disease was cytology. And then once the AI started, once the computerized era started, the DNA test came into play.